Does your chow fun keep breaking when you stir fry it? I'll show you how to make shrimp chow fun that's perfectly bouncy and better than takeout. On a plate, add deveined shrimp, salt, white pepper, and cornstarch. Mix well. Cornstarch creates a light coating that keeps the shrimp tender and juicy. Cut onion, scallions, also known as green onions, and garlic. You can also add your favorite ingredients to chow fun. Drop a comment and tell me your favorite add-ins. Let's make the sauce. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken stock. You can also use seafood stock or water. We're using dry rice noodles today. Here's a tip. Choose the kind with some starch in them. This is the secret to keeping them from breaking apart when you stir fry. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add the noodles and cook for about 3 minutes until softened. We are slightly undercooking them because they will finish cooking in the wok, and this way they won't fall apart. Transfer the noodles to cold water right away. This stops the cooking and keeps the noodle from sticking together. Drain. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. Add the shrimp and minced the garlic. Stir fry for about 1 minute until they turn lightly pink. High heat and quick cooking mean juicy and tender shrimp every time. Remove and set aside. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Toss in the onion and stir fry for about 1 minute until slightly softened. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the rice noodles and stir fry until heated through. Return the onion and sauce. Toss together for about a minute, letting the noodles soak up all the flavor. To get the smoky wok cake, make sure to turn the heat to high the entire time. Lastly, add the shrimp, scallions, bean sprouts. Give it a quick toss. And that's it! My family says the shrimp chow fun beats every takeout, and honestly, I have to agree. If you love beef chow fun, make sure to check out my previous video. If you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. Also share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!